Welcome to Pranavam. An eco-friendly residence nestled on a 55 by 46 south-facing plot. We are delighted to have you join us on a tour of this thoughtfully designed home where sustainability and style come together seamlessly. A tranquil water fountain sets the mood, while a skylight above allows natural light to pour into the space, enhancing the home's visual appeal. As we step inside, you're immediately welcomed by a serene courtyard. This courtyard isn't just a beautiful feature, it serves as the heart of the home. Acting as a central hub, it connects all the floors and spaces, creating a harmonious and open flow throughout the house. From here, we move to the staircase, a minimalist stringer beam design that adds a modern, sleek touch while keeping with the clean lines of the home's overall aesthetic. Let's take a look at the kitchen. Notice the vertical opening that runs through the ceiling, featuring a skylight overhead. This clever design element not only ensures optimal ventilation but also adds an airy, open feel to the space. As we head to the first floor, the informal living area greets us with its stunning double-height ceiling. Another skylight above brings in natural light, making the space feel vibrant, expansive, and truly inviting. The south-facing plot of the home allows us to take full advantage of the abundant natural light. The mature trees on the property have been carefully preserved to offer shade and reduce heat, ensuring comfort and energy efficiency year-round. Throughout the home, generous openings and large windows invite natural light into every room. Pranavam embraces a minimalist design that focuses on subtle elegance. The wooden flooring, paired with a neutral color palette for the furnishings and fixtures, creates a calm and peaceful environment ideal for modern living. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Pranavam. We hope it has inspired you, and stay tuned for more innovative and sustainable designs.